And we made it to the Netherlands. And so, nakarating na kami ng Netherlands. Kami ng Netherlands. Napakalamig as we arrive. Hindi ako ready. But we hope we figure things out as we carry on with the day. For now, mangangapa muna kami. We made it!